You know, ladies and gentlemen, since we have television, everybody became interested in television. And everybody became interested in baseball through television. Young, old, everybody watches television. But we Jews have such a mazel that every time the World Series has to be played, for some reason or other, it always seems to conflict with the high holy days. If you recall, this past year, the third game of the series came out on, who remembers what day? Yom Kippur. If you recall, a few years ago, when the New York Giants played the Yankees, the sixth game, that crucial game of the series, it came out also on Yom Kippur. And many rabbis were complaining they had what was called a floating minyan. In fact, one rabbi said he never saw so many Jews with yarmulkes davening as he did that day in the Yankee Stadium. This is a story of a cantor who, since the day he migrated from Europe into the United States, moved into the Bronx and became an ardent Giant fan. Every time the New York Giants came into New York to play, he never missed a game. So when that sixth game came along, he placed a $25 bet that his Giants will definitely beat the Yankees in the sixth game, and bought himself a grandstand ticket, only to discover a few days later, to his mazel, that the sixth game came out on Yom Kippur. But he was very lucky, very fortunate. He had a large choir surrounding him, and he noticed one of the little choir boys wasn't singing too much at that. So during the services, he looked at his watch, and every time he thought there should be a score by then, he called the little choir boy to him and told him to go out and take a look at the score. And the little choir boy would relay the score to the cantor. When his Giants were losing, he was very sad, and he showed it in his prayers. And when they were winning, he was very, very happy. And that, too, he showed in his prayers. So I'm going to give you my version of what I saw took place that afternoon between the chazan and this little choir boy. I want you to picture yourself in the synagogue. It's 1 o'clock. The cantor and the choir are going to the altar to conduct the Musaf services, and at the same time, Nebuch, his New York Giants are up at bat against the Yankees. Can I have a G minor chord, sir? Jay, that's enough. There's enough charging, but this is not part of the program. Do you mind just giving me one more chord and use all the fingers? He came back, he looked at the cantor and he said, "Oi, cantor, cantor, oi, cantor, cantor, cantor." He was a big cantor. Cantor, oh, boy, cantor, cantor, are you in trouble? Oh, Cantor, he said, I want you to know it's now the fourth inning. The Yankees have 4, and your Giants are losing. They only have 3. The Cantor heard it, and he said, Hiya, bossy. The little boy ran away. He came back. He looked at the cantor and he said, "Boy, Cantor, Cantor, oh, boy, Cantor, if I got wonderful news for you, Cantor. Oh, Cantor," he said, "I want you to know it's now the 7th inning. The Yankees have 5, and your Giants are winning. They have 6. The Cantor heard it, he felt so happy, so he began to sing. "Victor, what they do, what they do. Me and they are going. Oh, the butcher say no carne, me up say your name. Because they do, so they do. Me and they are going. Oh, the butcher say no carne, me up say your Giants had 7, and the Yankees won the series. They had 8. The Cantor heard it, and just at this moment he was reaching the Nagila service. He turned over the next page and he said, "He is a cold dog, he is a cold dog, that I am affiliated with a fellowship club, and I'm very happy that the affair is